This is the 40-foot Gooseneck flat deck, built strong and made to haul. Toolbox full storage and easy access. Toolbox open, organized, and lockable. Drop-down spare tire mount, quick access. 210K jacks. Dual heavy-duty support for safer and easier loading. Both sides, footsteps, easy access to the trailer. 7K axles built for serious hauling. 2 mega ramps designed to load heavy machinery with maximum stability, control, and long-term durability. 8 D-ring secured tie-down points. 10 sliding strap rails per side, adjustable, secure, and built for easy tie-down anywhere along the trailer, giving you total flexibility for any load, no matter the size or weight, ensuring strength, stability. Pine wood flooring durable, load-ready deck, built for the long haul.